Full makeup tutorials. Primer. What it does: creates a smooth, even canvas for makeup application, helps makeup last longer and prevents creasing. Lip oil prevents your lips from dryness, makes it softer and fresher. Foundation. Even complexion. The primary function of foundation is to even out your skin tone. It can camouflage uneven pigmentation, redness, and minor blemishes, creating a more uniform base for the rest of your makeup. Concealer. Use concealer to target blemishes, dark circles, or any areas you want to brighten. Opt for a shade that's lighter than your foundation and blend it seamlessly. Concealer can be used to highlight and brighten the T-zone. Remember, your T-zone is the focus of your makeup. Blend the concealer with a damp beauty sponge or a brush to avoid harsh lines. Contour. Sculpts and shapes the face by creating shadows and highlights. Gives your face a sculpture and makes it look slimmer. Blush. Adds color and a healthy flush to the cheeks. It helps define your cheekbones, jawline, and nose. By applying a blush to the apple of your cheek, you can create the illusion of a slimmer face. Powder. It comes in various shades to match different skin tones and can be applied with a brush or sponge. Makeup powder helps to keep makeup in place for long-lasting wear. Concealer. Used to define eyebrows and eyeshadow base to pop out the eyeshadow colors. Eyeshadow is a type of cosmetic product applied to the eyelids and the area surrounding the eyes. It comes in a variety of colors, finishes matte, shimmer, and metallic, and textures powder, cream, and liquid. Eyeshadow can be used to enhance the look of the eyes, create different eye looks, and correct the appearance of uneven eyelids. Eyelashes is used to enhance the natural lash, and it comes in different forms and at volumes. Makeup powder. Powder is a versatile cosmetic product that comes in various forms such as loose powder, pressed powder, and setting powder. It is used to set makeup, control shine, and create a smooth, matte finish on the skin. Powder helps to set liquid or cream products like foundation and concealer, ensuring they stay in place throughout the day without creasing or fading. Full makeup tutorials. Products used to achieving the look. Link bio to shop. 1. Primer. 2. Foundation. 3. Concealer. 4. Cream contour. 5. Cream blush. 6. Banana powder. 7. Eyeshadow. 8. Brow pencil. 9. Lashes mascara. 10. Contour blush palette. 11. Setting powder. 12. Lip liner lipstick. 13. Setting spray.